Today I'm going to shrink wrap this oil drum using a Ripack Model 3000 heat gun. But instead of propane, I'm going to do the job using high pressure natural gas with a G-TEC TB125 torch booster. Compared to propane, high pressure natural gas is up to 70% less expensive for equal heat performance. And as you know, when you're dealing with cylinders of propane, you're dealing with cylinders of propane. They run out, they have to be changed, they have to be stored, they have to be purchased, they have to be paid for. By contrast, with a G-TEC TB125 torch booster, you're connected right to the utility natural gas supply and you never run out. Also, when you have cylinders of propane in your shop, you have a lot of energy stored in a small place, and it's dangerous. If you can eliminate that danger, your insurance company, your fire marshal, your safety officials will like you better. By comparison, a G-TEC torch booster never has more than a cubic foot of gas in it at any time. It boosts gas pressure and supplies it right to your torch or your heat gun as it's being used. Now, the torch booster, as you can see, is compact. It can be installed almost anywhere. It doesn't need any special site preparation such as ventilation. It's quiet. You connect it right to your utility gas line, pretty much right in the area where you're going to be doing your shrink wrapping. Now, the way you connect your G-TEC torch booster is we connect up to a standard utility natural gas line, and we can work with pressure as low as 1/4 of a PSI and boost that pressure as high as 25 PSI. On the power side, we connect up to a standard 120 volt, 20 amp electrical circuit, so there's no special electrical requirement for the machine. Now, the way the torch booster works, it connects up to your low pressure natural gas, and then it raises pressure as high as 25 PSI. To operate the booster, the green button here turns the power on, the black button over here starts the compressor, and when you're done shrink wrapping, you press the red button to turn the system off, like this. Now, I just turned the machine on and off, and we'll turn it on and off for this demonstration, but typically during the day, you've got a lot of shrink wrapping jobs to do. And so the way this machine works is you turn it on in the morning, you turn it off at the end of the day, and in between it automatically supplies all the gas your Ripack shrink gun needs. If you have the if you're doing some shrink wrapping, it provides gas. If you're setting up the next job, it automatically puts itself into recirculation mode. There are no controls other than on and off. Now, what we've done here is we've connected this up to low pressure utility natural gas. Ripack provides a natural gas interface, and we're using that down here. So this is the natural gas valve that they use. It's a safety valve, and they require that this be connected onto the gas line. So we're boosting our gas pressure here. We've got the Ripack adapter down here, and that's all you need in order to be able to connect your Ripack heat gun up to high pressure natural gas. So what I'm going to do now is shrink wrap this oil drum here and show you just how well this works. And we are ready to ship. And as they say, when you're done, you just turn the machine off. Now, we've done this demonstration using the Ripack Model 3000 heat gun. It works equally well with the Ripack Model 2000 or the Ripack Model 2200. And again, in this demonstration, we've connected a single Ripack heat gun, the Model 3000, to a TB125 directly. Now, if you've got multiple shrink guns, then we can manifold this throughout your shop, or we have larger systems available as well. So natural gas is an excellent fuel for shrink wrapping with your Ripack heat gun. Again, it's 70% less expensive than propane. It eliminates having to deal with cylinders. It gets dangerous stored gas out of your building. And best of all, you never run out of fuel. Find out more about how to use high pressure natural gas with a Ripack heat gun by giving us a call or looking us up on our website.